have. You know, when we're traveling across India, you come across the brand. And I have known Tanya for a while as well, because she's one of the finest stylists in the industry today. You are. So I think very rarely we see that a very established brand like Kalki collaborating with somebody like you who's actually out there doing all sorts of things, you know, and so up to date with like every trend of fashion. No, you make fashion, actually. You make the trend because you style everybody. So you actually make the trend. So I think this is a really perfect collaboration. And the reason why I'm here and I'm so happy to be here is because I'm not somebody who gets very happy with wearing very heavy stuff or very heavy outfits. And I don't mean heavy in the sense of weight. What I mean heavy is heavy on the eye.
Yeah.
That's what I feel heavy is.
Yeah.
And so when they sent me the collection, I was like, oh my god, this is completely my cup of tea. This is what I would like to wear because of the colors, the pastel colors that she was talking about, and then we were discussing how, you know, you have the same color, but you have different shades of the same, sort of one on top of the other. So it gives you the depth, but it's not heavy on the eye. It's very subtle and it's very, and it flows, and which is why I think it's something that I would like to wear when I'm attending a wedding, because I always constantly am wondering what to do when I have to go for a wedding.
And I was so happy when they told me that, you know, like when Radhika came on board, and I was like, she's so beautiful, you know, and she's so talented. I think the whole country knows that now, you know, for a while actually. And this amazing new show that she's done, which I'm obsessed with, so are so many other people. But I think that when she came on board and she looks completely gorgeous today, and it's really like Indian beauty.
Yeah, and I don't wear Indian wear as much, you know. So for me, if I'm wearing it, it has to be something that I really, really like. So I think it's a great collaboration. I think it's a great touch of sort of making outfits for the young brides and sort of incorporating the new trends and the new likings and the new things that are in. So very, very happy to be a part of this. I don't consider myself as a bride at all. I attend weddings, and I
Not there yet.
Not into that scene.
But I sort of give my wishes and say that I hope you stay married.
And if you would get a chance, how would it be?
I am
Would it be
married.
like
I am married. Yeah, I'm married. But I just don't really.
Now we know new things.
We'll go into another zone of like, I don't really, like married, not married for me doesn't make a difference. But I think why is wedding so important is because you are expressing a commitment, you're sharing something personal at that moment with a lot of people. And whether people have to do it many times or never, it's their own business. But I'm just saying that it's a share, you're sharing an emotion, which is why it becomes so special. You know, so yeah, my wedding I wore my grandmother's oldest sari, which is torn actually, but I wore it.
coming on to this?
Affair. I have yet to see my own shows.
You've not seen Sacred Games?
Sacred Games I finished.
Everyone's finished.
Yeah, so I'm watching Kahuna now.
Yeah, that I haven't seen.
This is the first time, this is the beginning of the association, I hope. This is the first time this has happened for me. And I think it's even more special because Tanya is also, Tanya and Kalki are both collaborating this. I think I've always struggled with wedding wear and I've always struggled with Indian wedding wear especially. And I've tried, we've worked together before and actually she's one of the best stylists that we have in the country. So I can't tell you how grateful and happy I am to be a part. It's absolutely ideal.
आपने अपनी शादी में अपनी ग्रैंड मॉम की साड़ी पहने थी, कलर याद है आपको उसका?
ब्लू।
और क्या 9 यार्ड साड़ी थी, मराठी साड़ी?
अरे फटी हुई पुरानी मराठी साड़ी थी।
उसके पीछे आपका थॉट क्या था?
My grandmother was I don't know, she was one of the closest person to me and I actually really liked that saree.
आपके रोल्स अनकन्वेंशनल, तो इसलिए आपने अनकन्वेंशनल स्टाइल ऑफ वेडिंग वेयर भी आपको पसंद है?
अरे कोई अनकन्वेंशनल स्टाइल ऐसा नहीं है मेरा। सब जब जो है वो है। अब ये पसंद है तो पसंद है, क्या करें।
Tanya, a very good evening to all.
हाय हाय।
Hi, how are you?
You have to look in the front. You can have to hear from all the sides, but have to look in the front. Okay. Tanya, as Radhika said, one of the best stylists in the country. How you take this designation?
She doesn't have to take it.
I
she
don't-
is. I mean, you know that, but it's true, yeah. Come on, don't be humble. Like, she is.
Yeah.
What is true?
So the कितना straightforwardly
No,
और
no,
मतलब
no, I
अच्छे से
know,
हम
but
बात
thank
करें.
you very much. But I have to keep working hard, you know, and we all have to always, it's always about getting better. So I think that's the only way I take the compliment.
Mr. Gupta, this is becoming quite often that we are coming here. Is there a big plan in getting associated with different people?
No, thank you for coming as well, often. But no, generally we are just launching new collections. You know, like at Kalki we launch new collections we celebrate everything from weddings to festives to from bridal to bridesmaids. So जैसे जो collections आते हैं, we keep launching them. So so today we're launching this lovely collaboration that we did with Tanya, and like it's all about modern couture and Fred for this. So hence Radhika's here. She's looking stunning, and like it's So as we keep coming with new collections, I'm sure we'll keep making announcements about it.
Radhika, फैशन फिल्मों के लिए तो जानी जाती थी, अब आप अपने स्टाइल और फैशन के लिए भी उतनी ही लोकप्रिय और पॉपुलर हो रही है.
Seriously, I don't know.
वी सी यू इन कोई भी फैशन वीक आप मेरे ख्याल आपके बिना अधूरा हो गया है. मतलब
नहीं यार, सबके बिना अधूरा ही है, सब जाते हैं।
फिर भी मतलब यू आर बीइंग कॉन्शियसली मतलब कॉन्शियस मतलब या एक एफर्ट है आपकी तरफ से?
I mean, of course, there's an effort because I do like clothes a lot, and it's just so interesting to know what people are. See, what is a fashion show? What is it when they come with a new collection? They want to have it on the run, like a runway. Basically, it's their expression. Like it's an art, and they're expressing something from within that. So of course, I am very drawn towards that, and I like to see what people how they use this form as their expression, and I would like to be a part of that. And I find it fascinating to walk on a runway, and I'm still so nervous that I want to do it repeatedly, so I get better and better.
पता कंपटीशन दे रही है मतलब सीरियर की मतलब जैसे सोनम है या कंगना है, known for their clothes and everything.
यार मेरी कंपटीशन किसी के साथ नहीं है। आज मन किया तो पहनूंगी, नहीं मन किया तो कुछ और पहनूंगी।
आपने कहा वेस्टर्न ज़्यादा पहनते हैं, ट्रेडिशनल बहुत कम पहनते
जी जी जी, कोई स्टेटमेंट नहीं है, जो कंफर्टेबल लगता है वो पहनती हूँ।
तो आपको लगता है ट्रेडिशनल ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल नहीं था इंडियन?
आदत है मुझे ज़्यादा ड्रेसेस पहनने की, बहुत कंफर्टेबल लगता है मुझे।
Radhika, on professional front, you're doing really very good. Like your digital series are doing good, whereas the memes around Radhika Apte are also doing good. What do you have to say on it?
Oh, I'm loving them. I think they're hilarious.
Which is your favorite?
I think there are two. This is so funny. There are two. Anurag sent me one yesterday where Nawaz is saying, "Kabhi kabhi to lagta hai main hi Radhika Apte hu," something like that. And तुम्हारे पास क्या है, something like that. But anyway, I mean, to be honest with you, I'm not somebody who is very comfortable with so much attention. I haven't trolled myself or I haven't done anything about it. What I really like is the Netflix video was very funny. But I love the memes because they're hilarious. Yeah, they're really really funny, and it's good when you get trolled. You also see the support. I think it's a ridiculous thing to be trolled for this anyway. So I think it's all good only.
I take it.
No, I think it's good only. I think there's nothing bad in it. I just don't know what part is bad about this. I don't know.
Are you happy the hype Love Sonia is getting?
Love Sonia. Oh my God, I haven't seen Love Sonia. And Tabriz is a very dear friend of mine, so I'm so happy for him. And
It's amazing.
yeah, I want to watch it. No, he's a very lovely friend of mine.
And you're playing a North in a character a forthcoming film. Would you like to?
Really?
Yeah.
Which?
Would you like to tell us about the forthcoming films?
I haven't signed anything. Now Andhadhun will come and Bazaar will come at some point, and I've done 2 Hollywood films which will release. One is going to Toronto with Michael Winterbottom, but I haven't signed anything new.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.